what's the world's most important company investing in cryptocurrency? Okay, so if you are serious about mastering the art of investing, you know that having a rock-solid strategy is the key. And guess what? You don't have to reinvent the wheel, because the smartest move here is to learn from the giants of the industry. But hold on a second. Understanding a company's strategy isn't about listening to rehearsed speeches from the top executives. Well, actually, it's all about following the money trail. So, for example, who are they partnering with? Where are they investing big bucks? And how do they allocate their resources? That's the key. And no, this isn't some groundbreaking revelation either, because this comes from a book called Strategy Maps by CB Insights. Recently, we stumbled upon this coffee table book for strategy nerds, and guess what? It's not just interesting, it's actually a goldmine for dissecting the investment strategies of the world's best players. However, as a crypto channel, our focus is on crypto investing. And spoiler, this book has some crypto gems too that can supercharge our crypto investment game. And how? Well, stick around to find out. Ever wondered who the corporate giants collaborate with? Like, who are their allies and where do they invest their resources? And actually, what crypto has to do with that? I think we can find the answers in the Strategy Maps book. According to it, the book shines a light on the strategy of some of the world's most important companies. And how do they do it? Firstly, the book categorizes these company giants into 5 different sections: big tech, consumer and retail, financial services, healthcare, and industrials. Each sector has its unique approach and strategy game plan, focusing on 3 critical aspects: acquisitions, investments, and partnerships. So we can deduce that by analyzing them, we'll uncover the secret strategies that shape companies' futures. However, when it comes to crypto, not all sectors are treated equally. So here's where it gets interesting. While some sectors are diving headfirst into the digital revolution, others, well, remain conservative, steering clear of the crypto buzz. Take, for example, big tech companies like Apple, Amazon, Intel, Microsoft, Meta, you name it. They are all playing it safe with no public crypto investments or partnerships inside. And why, you ask? Well, it turns out that crypto's wild rides might not fit their corporate plans. Well, at least not yet. Healthcare and industrials seem to follow the suit, remaining cautious from the crypto frenzy. Well, hell, even Tesla keeps their distance from public investments in partnerships to the crypto sector. Perhaps this might be due to their unique niches or the lack of common ground with crypto projects. Well, at least by now. But hold on a second, because in the consumer and retail sector, we hit the jackpot. First thing, we have the NBA. The NBA is entering into numerous partnerships with digital content and gaming companies, using digital collectibles and VR as novel ways to engage its audience. For example, in July 2019, the league partnered with and later invested in Dapper Labs, announcing the creation of NBA Top Shot. This is an NFT marketplace where users can trade collectible basketball video clips. In fact, in August 2021, LeBron James's clip went for a jaw-dropping $230K on the platform. And yeah, I still remember it was super viral across socials. Later this year, in November, Infinite Objects partnered with the NBA to provide NFT owners with a physical display for their Top Shot clips. Infinite Objects has raised $6 million in early-stage funding from Courthouse Ventures and Dapper Labs. Besides, not one but 2 major French corporations have jumped on the crypto bandwagon, both teaming up with the groundbreaking project called the Sandbox. For those of you who don't know, Sandbox is a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences in the Ethereum blockchain. Let's start with Caring. the luxury goods powerhouse behind Gucci. They are turning heads in the digital realm by creating an interactive fashion experience within the sandbox, featuring exclusive digital collectibles. Gucci's designers are crafting items that players and creators can buy, own, and also use, making it a fashionista's dream come true. And that's not even all. Carrefour, the French retail giant, is also making waves by partnering with the sandbox. They've introduced NFT bees, adorable virtual bees inspired by fruits and veggies at risk of extinction. The proceeds from these cute little creatures go directly to support the preservation of bees through the Bee Fund. So why are these companies diving into the metaverse? Are they seeking new audiences or aiming to elevate their brand presence? So what do you think? Leave a comment below. Now, let's shift our focus on the fintech sector. And as you can guess already, this sector is the hotspot of crypto-related projects for strategy maps of global fintech giants. So, leading the pack is no other than Coinbase, the crypto juggernaut. With the jaw-dropping 50 crypto investments in partnerships since Q2 2021, Coinbase is undeniably leading the charge. But hold on a sec, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Coinbase's strategy map boasts some of the biggest names in the crypto world, including Ledger, Consensus, Animoca Brands, Yuga Labs, and Layer Zero. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. But here's the kicker, folks. This list is not exhaustive, as the crypto waves are always shifting, For example, FTX might not even be on Coinbase's radar anymore. I wonder why. Now, I guess you might be thinking, why the frenzy? Why so many? Well, actually, it's no surprise, because Coinbase is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the crypto world. As the largest crypto company and crypto exchange globally, it's no surprise that they are all in on crypto projects. Still, guys, we won't cover every project on Coinbase's strategy map today, as it will take us actually forever to do so. But if you are still hungry for more details, just drop some comments below, say 50 of them should be enough, and we'll be diving deeper into Coinbase's crypto empire. Okay, moving on, and actually Coinbase isn't just the center of attention, because it's attracting big players too. For example, SoFi and MasterCard are just two of the big players invested in Coinbase. MasterCard, in fact, has its fingers into other crypto pies like Consensus, Gemini, Immutable, Nexo, and more. So, as you can see, the largest payment processing corporation is definitely down into partnerships with the crypto world. And guess what? Another e-payment juggernaut, PayPal, is riding the crypto wave too. Layer Zero, TRM, Paxos, and more in its money-making mix. Besides, speaking about the latter, even Brazilian Nubank has joined the Paxos party. Moreover, according to the website, Paxos seems to have built connections with PayPal and MasterCard already. So, good for them. But hold on a sec, because we're not done yet with the banking sector. Let's shift gears to the JP Morgan, a banking conglomerate which is also exploring its blockchain possibilities. So what do we have here? Axoni, Black Demon, TRM Investments in partnership with Consensus are all in JP Morgan's sights. Besides, these strategic priorities are since 2020. Today's list might include even more names. Okay, so what's the big picture here, you might ask? Well, if we analyze all these strategy maps of these heavyweights, we'll uncover some fascinating insights actually. To start with, one name keeps popping up more often, and it's Consensus, 3 times to be exact. It's followed closely behind by the Sandbox, Layer Zero, TRM, Paxos, and of course, Coinbase, each appearing twice. And what can I say? Coinbase alone boasts nearly 50 crypto projects in its arsenal, making it the reigning king of crypto investments worldwide. These projects are like hidden crypto gems, waiting to be discovered for your own crypto investment strategy. So what's the takeaway? Well, we've crunched some numbers and the results are actually fascinating. Well, of course, if our calculations hold true. The truth is, why did we ever analyze the Strategy Maps book by CB Insights? Well, it's like by tracking which crypto companies appear most frequently on the strategy maps of global giants, we can chart our own course, take a closer look at the company's assets and, of course, tokens, and eventually steer our own crypto investment strategy to the stars. Anyways, what do you think? Hope you liked the format of today's video, and leave a like and comment down below, and of course we'll include the link for the book if you want to learn more about it. So stay tuned for more crypto insights, because it's high time to take your crypto game to the next level.